how to change Macbook Air login password. And okay guys, here in your Macbook Air, okay, go to System Settings. Here in System Settings on left side, go to Touch ID and Password. Okay, click this. Here in Touch ID and Password, you can see the password section. So okay, here a login password has been set for this user. So to change this MacBook Air password, okay, you'll have to do is click the change button on the right side of this, and the pop-up are shown. Now you can enter the old password here. So for my example, and you can enter the new password. So this is an example only, and also verify the new password, and also you enter the password hint. So okay, this is recommended. So this is an example only. And okay, after that, after you enter the old password and create a new password and also the password hint, okay, tap the change password button here to save. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully changed the login password or MacBook Air password.